Traton Homes is opening a brand new townhome community this summer in Kennesaw called East Park Village. And today I am here with Amy. So Amy, what can you tell us about these great new townhomes?
So East Park Village, as you said, is located in downtown. It's a wonderful location we're so excited about. It's about 1.5 miles from downtown Kennesaw and 1.5 miles from Interstate 75.
Okay, that's an awesome location. So what is the community going to be like?
We are going to feature 105 of these townhomes. We will have 2- and 3-story townhomes. Great open floor plans, wonderful for entertaining. They're all going to be at least 3 bedrooms, 2-car garage, 2 baths. So some will even feature like a nice loft space for those that still work at home.
And I understand the community will also have some pretty great amenities.
Yes, so we are so excited to be offering like a nice pool, cabana, and a dog park for all the dog lovers out there.
Well, Amy, Traton Homes was voted Best Builder in Cobb in 2021 and now also in 2022 by the readers of Cobb Life magazine. So for people out there that aren't as familiar with Traton Homes, what can you tell them?
So we are a homegrown Atlanta builder. We've been building now for over 51 years, and we build neighborhoods such as East Park Village with townhomes. We also do single family homes and active adult communities.
Okay, well, we mentioned that it's opening up this summer, but the VIP list is starting right now. So what is the best way to be a part of that VIP list?
So the best way to be part of the VIP list is to go to tratonhomes.com and sign up there.
Well, Amy, thanks so much for being here with me today. And don't wait, go ahead and sign up for that VIP list so that you can be part of East Park Village in Kennesaw by Traton Homes this summer.